Hey there everybody, my name is TaoMan and in this video I will show you where you can find achievements in UPLAY. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're in UPLAY, go here to settings, click on games, choose a game and just scroll down here to achievements. And voila, you will be able to see all the achievements that you got. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. And like I have so many hours in this game. Damn. 700 hours. Like okay, in Counter-Strike Global Offensive or Counter-Strike I had like 3000 hours. That's different. But yeah. That's pretty much it. So if you have any questions guys, ask it down in the comments. But yeah, just achievements and right here. Have a great day and goodbye.